Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Here is your teacher, your technical trainer, Engineer Kaisar Rafiq from Hawk College, Lahore. Today we are going to start a practice test for UET entry test. Before going to start a practice test, I want to give you an information related to the test pattern. There are four different sections in the test. The first section is related to English, and 10 questions will be asked from the English section. And second section is from physics, and 30 questions will be asked from physics section. And the third section is mathematics section, or the bio for the special students who are interested in biomedical engineering. 30 questions will be asked from these sections, and you have to answer those 30 questions. And the last and the fourth section is the chemistry one or the computer one. So 30 questions is asked from this. Students have to answer all those 30 questions. The student, I want to tell you about the marking of this test. There are 4 marks for one question if you do it right, and if you do it wrong, then negative marking is there and -1 will be charged from your score. Be careful to solve these questions. So let's get started with the practice. Today we are going to start our English practice test. Before going to start the English practice test, I want to tell you about the English test. It will be a comprehension type. A paragraph would be given and candidate would be asked to answer 10 multiple choice questions related to paragraph. So it means you have to read that paragraph and answer those questions related to the paragraph. So let's get started with the test. For starting a test, you have to click this link. Link is also given in the description. So when you will click this link, you have the screen open on your mobile or on your laptop, the similar like the screen in front of you right now. It's written the Hawk College title and the ECAT 2020 English practice test, and one paragraph is given after this screen, and you have to read that paragraph, and there are 4 different questions are asked related to that paragraph. So hopefully you will answer all those 4 questions. If you cannot understand, you can read paragraph again and again. So answer those questions, and just at the end of the test you can submit the test and you will receive your score, how many scores you have in this test. So please subscribe our channel for more practice test and related material for ECAT 2020. Thank you, and share this video with more and more students that they will practice and they will get admission in engineering colleges or UET Lahore.